morning, ma'am and sir. With a heart full of warmth and excitement, I, Anusha, truly feel honored to welcome you all for this much-awaited event, Discovery Day, the grand exhibition of learning, creativity, and innovation here at Cook Signature Academy. A very special welcome to our respected parents, whose constant support and encouragement has always been the backbone of our journey. It means so much to have you all with us today as we celebrate the learning across various dimensions, from science and maths to social studies, art and music. We are also privileged to have with us our chief guest, Chairandana, Mrs. Punita and Mr. Pitappa, who has kindly accepted our invitation to inaugurate this special event. Sir and Madam, your presence adds a great value to our efforts, and we eagerly look forward to hear your inspiring words. Before we begin to invoke the blessings of Almighty, I now invite Arya Gangama and Anmol Mandana to present the prayers of seeking grace and wisdom for the beautiful day.
காவிரம்மே தேவிதாய் காப்படெங்களா காவிரம்மே தேவிதாய் காப்படெங்களா பாவபட்டை காட்டி தந்த சாக்கு தேவி நீ दत्त मोबलायित नि ब्रह्मदेवंग कावेरम्मे देविताय कापडेंगला कावेरम्मे देविताय कापडेंगला भाववर्ते काटी तंद चाक देविनी गोत्तिलते अगस्त्य ऋषिना बोट्ट पोरटिया कावेरम्मे देविताय कापडेंगला.
Thank you for your soul-stirring performance. Now it's time to officially declare the exhibition open. I request our chief guest to come forward and inaugurate this Discovery Day exhibition. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Today, as you walk through our exhibit, you will witness the passion and the heart of each one of us born to bring ideas to life. From curious science experiments, creative math puzzles, to engaging social projects, vibrant artwork, and musical talent. Each corner of the Discovery Day has exploration and self-expression. Today, this exhibition is not just about subjects. It's about learning beyond books and about discovering who we are and what we can become. Once again, welcome and thank you for being here. We hope you enjoy the exploration, and we enjoyed it creating it too. Let the discovery